Hi, this is Andy at LT Rich Products. Today we're going to demonstrate how to remove the aerator head and install the slice seeder head. No tools are required. A block of wood is helpful. There's 4 pins to remove when taking off the aerator head. Now that the head is unattached, all we have to do is pivot the machine off of the aerator head. Now that your machine is separated from your aerator, simply repeat the process and pivot over the top of your slice seeder. Now that you've got your slice seeder attached, you're ready to start seeding.